Hey, here's a look at the Blox short shift adapter kit for the DC5 chassis Honda vehicle. This is a copy of the Comptech Racing short shift adapter, which was available back in the early to late 2000s. That's no longer available, but this is a copy of that design. It's a simple adapter which increases the leverage of the both the side to side and fore and aft. So this is the fore and aft lever, and this is how the gear stick actuates the side to side lever. So it increases the leverage of both the side to side and fore and aft, and therefore shortens the throw of the gear lever. This is where the gear shift cables attach, here and here. And it's two metal pieces, one that simply slides on to the fore and aft connector, and then you drill a hole through, so as you can see it kind of goes up against there, like this, and as you can see it goes against here like this, and then you drill a hole through here where the supplied bolt then attaches this, and I guess you can still use the split pin or cotter pin to attach the other original pin location, and then the cable attaches here. And then on the other one, it's simply a matter of taking the original pin out, which sits there, and putting it up here, and then feeding this through here and simply screwing it into place, bolting it into place. And it should work quite well if your shifter box is in good condition. This one might be a little bit worn, but we will see how well it works once it's fitted to. This is the Blox Racing short shift adapter kit for DC5.